So that's the first pass done, and now it is time to clear up the mess. It's voiceover time! So, normally at this stage, I would be using our leaf blower to clear up in between passes with the Scarifier. But at the moment, we are in the very fortunate position to have this STIHL RMA 765V battery mower on long-term loan from STIHL. So thank you very much for that, STIHL. So I thought I'll use this and see how this does at clearing up the debris in between passes. And as you can see, it's doing a beaut of a job. I was basically going down a pass, turning around and then going back over it again, and it worked an absolute treat. This is on its lowest speed setting, which is like 0.5 kilometers an hour. So a nice steady pace, and it was basically just acting like a giant hoover sucking these clippings up, as opposed to using the leaf blower where it just blows those little fine clippings absolutely everywhere, and you pretty much just end up chasing your ass round and round in circles trying to clear up the mess. Beaut of a job. It's voiceover time again. So I always like to go over with the mower afterwards and just leave some nice, very subtle stripes after doing such a hard scarify. It just tidies everything up and makes it look like you care. I did end up doing 3 passes on this lawn, and as you can see, it has ripped it to pieces. But not to worry, what I did after this was I did a light dressing with some seed and just top dressed it as well. I will bring you back in a couple of weeks just to see how the lawn's doing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for tuning in again. I really do appreciate it. Cheers guys.